Good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, September 15th. I am going to just kind of show you guys a little bit of what I purchased today for our grocery haul. This is all from Walmart. We did Walmart pickup this morning. I did the order and my husband picked it up for me. But I just want to show you really quickly what I got to kind of fill the gaps of things that I don't have at the house already. So we already pretty much have a fully stocked pantry, but wanted to give you this little breakdown. Okay, so this week I'm making gumbo. I'm actually making gumbo today. I have rice. I needed flour. So I got the self-rising flour. I know you probably shouldn't use that, but they were out of a lot of the other flours that weren't like $4 or $5, and I needed to stay within my budget. And so I got this one because I also used this one for, if you guys watched our cooking live show with the pizza, this is what I use for the pizza dough as well. Okay, so I got some chicken broth. I always like to get the lower sodium if I can. I am gonna make a chicken broth with the chicken that I do for the gumbo, but I also like to add additional chicken broth to it, and I'll kind of, if you have questions or whatever, you can ask me. But I'm new to making gumbo. I learned it from my husband's aunt, and the gumbo she taught me how to make is phenomenal. But I went ahead and I bought this. I usually get a different one, but this is what I had to get today. I got an onion, again, peppers, the tomatoes, garlic bread because he uses the dip. And this was cheaper than the Walmart brand, so we went with this one. Of course, some okra, some garlic, and one pepper. That's for Sunday night dinner. And then for tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm not sure. I don't commit to a day. I just, as you guys know, if you watched our other videos, I just sort of plan out the meals, and what we eat on a day is depending on how busy we are. So I got this idea for this taco sauce from Grady's mom on YouTube, and I love it. The family loves it, and it's perfect. I got lettuce for our tacos. Of course, I've got some tortillas, and I'm making salsa to go with it. You can clearly see I want it spicy. And then I got a little container of plain Greek yogurt. I've never tried this one before, so hopefully it's good. Usually I get it from Aldi. I got it from Walmart today. Miscellaneous stuff over here. This is just emergency. I'm gonna call this my emergency pack because you never know what's gonna happen during the week. So I always have something on hand. I don't have anything ready in my freezer right now. I know, shame on me, but I just haven't had time. So this is what I have for that. Another emergency pack is the pasta so I can make spaghetti. I've got probably, oh wow, I'd say probably about 3 to 4 pounds worth of marinara in the freezer already, so I just needed pasta. It was substituted because they didn't have the 3 pounds, so instead they gave me the 4 pounds, which is fine. I picked up a can of black beans because I'm also making a vegan chili, and I had all kinds of beans except for black beans. I do have some dried black beans, but I decided I wasn't gonna make them this week. Just for the simple fact that this is gonna be a crazy busy week, and I didn't want to overwhelm myself with the amount of cooking. Needed alcohol, so I use this for cleaning. Needed some more, and of course, the lovely snacks of bananas. That is it. My entire grocery haul, I think it was like 40 something dollars. I'll insert a picture or give you the total on the screen. And this is just to fill in the gaps. I have everything else to make my gumbo except for this. These are some, of course, the key ingredients. But I already had my sausage. I already have my chicken because I make my chicken broth, the majority of my chicken broth, from scratch. So I didn't need to get that much. Tacos, I already have the meat for the tacos. I already have corn tortillas, but most of my family, I'm pretty much the only one that wants to eat corn tortillas. I'm not a huge fan of always eating flour tortillas, but they do, so that's what we'll have. And again, snacks, the bananas, and then, oh, I didn't tell you about the hot dog sauce here. My son loves this sauce, so I got him that and this for his lunches. I don't always cover lunches for the kids. They either have leftovers or they'll have some snack stuff. He doesn't really like to have leftovers, so I'm okay with getting him some hot dogs and hot dog buns. He'll make himself some chili dogs, or he'll make, what's the other thing? Sloppy Joes. He'll also make hamburgers, but he will occasionally, depending on what I have, I know he'll have, I know for sure he'll have gumbo, and I know he'll have that for leftovers. I'll know he'll have this for leftovers. So that's sort of like, that's the backup right there. That's the backup plan. So this is, like I said, we'll be busy this week. So I know one day this week, we are probably going to have to say, okay, forget it. Just turn the oven on. I'll probably make pizza dough. Maybe I will say maybe Monday, but I won't guarantee that. And again, I will use that. So comment below if this helped you, or if you had any questions about what we do in a week, but I will show you. I'll click over and I'll show you guys my list. Okay, so I wanted to quickly go over our list. As I said, when I did my shopping, I really just got a little bit of stuff because I knew that I already had things in my freezer. So in my checklist, I went through my freezer in my laundry room, and I found out that I still had plenty of vegetables. I have 2 bags of mixed vegetables, 2 bags of cauliflower, and I think like 4 or 5 bags of Brussels sprouts. So I don't need any veggies for the week. I doubt if we'll even eat all of these veggies. I also have okra in there, but it's fried okra. That's why I had to pick up the regular okra to put into the gumbo. And then, let me see. Oh, so I have 2 freezers. I have one in the laundry room and then one in the garage. One of them is usually full of meals. I didn't have that this week, so I'm all out. I've been going through all of my freezer, and that's why you see these bad boys. These are a favorite in our house anyway, but it's just nice to be able to have these when we need them. Okay, so that's why we have these bad boys. So with the gumbo, you saw everything I have here. And then this is what I wrote down on my list. I got everything on there. We did the Walmart grocery pickup because it was easy and nobody wanted to run to the store this week. We've been really, really busy, and we have a lot going on this upcoming week as well. So here's everything I got from the store. I will also, again, give you the price of everything that I purchased. It was like I said before, like $40-something. I'm going to freeze 1 pack of my tofu that I have. I have 3 packs. They expire today. I'm making 2 of them because, well, we're going to eat them. And then tonight for dinner, I'm making gumbo, as I said earlier. And then this is everything that I'm making this week. It looks very pasta marinara heavy, but it's because I have so much marinara that I need to use up. They are about 6 months old, and I want to go ahead and use those up. Again, they're in the freezer. They are double bagged, but I want to make sure that they don't go bad. So this week I'm making egg salad with bacon. We made the bacon yesterday when we had our breakfast. My daughter made pancakes, hash browns, and my husband made bacon. So we didn't have any eggs because I had my husband hard boil all of them so that we can make egg salad for this week. Again, quick go-to lunch. We can even use tortillas to wrap them up, put some lettuce in there, some tomatoes if there's any left, I doubt it, but, and then we can just have a wrap. We're gonna do 2 things of tofu. We're gonna do 1 braised, and then 1, and I have a recipe that I'll link down below for the braised tofu. And then we're gonna do 1 recipe test with a ginger soy sweet sauce that I'm gonna make. So hopefully that's good. Comment below if you wanna see a recipe for it. If it comes out good, I'll do a video. We're gonna do mushrooms with a honey soy glaze. Cabbage, mushroom, and tomato dish, which will probably have at least 1 or maybe 2 peppers in it to make it kind of spicy. In my garage freezer, I have a pack of naan bread and a garlic bread, and I'm going to use both of those for garlic. Both of those for, they're both garlic. Actually, the naan bread is garlic naan. So I'm going to use both of those for pizza again this week. And the pizza is, again, some people will be like, it's not that healthy, but the naan bread is a really good quality naan. And then the garlic bread is also a really good quality as well. The other garlic bread that we have, sorry, my camera cut out. The other garlic bread that we have is specifically for the gumbo. I'm making the veggie lentil chili. Again, that's what this beans are for. And then we have the burritos and tacos that I'm going to be making as well. So there you have it, our meal plan for the week. I will go ahead and post up the picture or the information for our how much we spent, but this is for an entire week plus whatever we have in the freezer. I wanted to show you just a quick tip. Our refrigerator is not completely organized, but what I like to do is keep it somewhat organized so I can grab and go. I know that so many refrigerators are like perfectly set up. Ours is not, and I wanted to show you that. Just because I plan my meals doesn't mean that my refrigerator has all these wonderful tools. Not to say that those are bad, but you don't need to have them. So one of the things that I do is I actually put my tomatoes in just like a little glass dish. Same thing with my jalapenos. My onion is here, my yogurt, my garlic, and then my bell peppers. This is what I'm gonna be cooking with, and I know that these need to be all used up this week, except for the garlic. I know that I'll have leftovers of that, and I might make either garlic water, garlic oil, I don't know. Depends on what I'm gonna make, but I know that this is easy for me to do. I have everything that needs to be used up right here. These are leftovers from yesterday. These will be gone today. These will be gone today. These hot dogs will be gone this week. Then I have my cabbage. This is the lizard's lettuce. Pay no attention to it. My broccoli, which I will use up. I usually have that as a snack. My pepperoni and my my lettuce. So there you have it. Oh, and then I did some broccoli some Brussels sprouts yesterday, and those will be added into like lettuce salads and things that we do. There you go.